Hello, welcome back. Our next pattern in this video is going to be a jacket spin. A jacket spin, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get right into the position of the jacket. If you don't know this one, go back and look at the quick view or the private lesson style to get into the jacket, okay? So jacket spin, we're going to come right over here. We're going to have the lady to our right, gentlemen. We're slightly offset with her and I directly side by side. And we're going to go forward, okay? And we're going to go quick, quick, prep, prep, slow, slow. All right, inside, quick, quick, slow, slow. Nicely done. Let's do that one more time from this angle. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Nice. All right, from this angle, ladies are in position and really just kind of like grab a hold of your butt like you're going to hug your partner. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Now, that goes in the closed or open position, either way you want to end it, okay? We're going to come toward the camera this time, and I'm going to actually come right over here. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Cool, wasn't it? Yes? All right, we're going to do this again. Okay, from this angle. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Okay, so basically we're just kind of like squeezing this in, coming away from the camera, going toward the camera to show you that it's about positioning, okay? Right, and then you get her back in front of you. Cool? So, go practice, together, separate, doesn't matter, and come on back for the next pattern.